At one point or another, everyone's had a job that they've hated. You know the obvious signs: struggling to get out of the bed in the morning to sit through that dreaded commute, or putting off important tasks just to rearrange your file folders, and sometimes even scrolling through social media, or counting down those microseconds until you can run out of there. And guys, this is the best one: binge watch Netflix until you fall asleep. My story. Now imagine a place where you could meet up with all of your favorite crypto influencers, work as much or as little as you've wanted to, and have an equal say in how things are run with no boss to answer to, all while getting paid generously for being a part of the club. Well, if that sounds like your dream come true, then you're probably going to want to join a Decentralized Autonomous Organization, or DAO. But what is a DAO exactly, and how do DAOs work? Well, the simplest definition of a DAO is that it's an internet community with a shared bank account. But this definition leaves out a lot of the important details, starting with what the does a DAO really mean? A Decentralized Autonomous Organization, or DAO, is a community-driven entity that has no central authority. The main concept behind DAOs is that they're not run by a central leader or a company, but rather by the people that have invested in it. And anyone can join in. These groups of like-minded people come together from all over the world, often communicating and organizing through Discord to build smart contracts or digital agreements on the blockchain. These smart contracts lay out the foundational rules and execute agreed upon decisions. Those who wish to become members often buy their way into the contract by purchasing a governance token for the desired DAO. Holding a governance token gives community members the ability to create proposals for the DAO and to vote on those very same proposals. Proposals can be as simple as suggesting a name to the group, or as complicated as how funds will be distributed in the future. In these groups, there's no one person who can authorize spending based on their own desires. And there's absolutely no way to secretly manipulate the books. Everything is out in the open, and the rules of the protocol are written in the code for everyone to see. Each individual member of the DAO oversees the protocol to one degree or another. Part of the advantage to this framework is the alignment of incentives, meaning that it's in the individual's best interest to honestly vote for what they believe will be the best for the protocol. A successful protocol will see more usage and eventually see an increase in the value of the tokens which each of the members hold. Basically, when the protocol succeeds, so will the token holders. Guys, in my next video, I'm going to talk about the real-life application of DAOs. So there's only one thing you should be doing: subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss out on any of my new videos. For now, my name is Adnan, and it's been a pleasure explaining what the is a DAO.